Hi, Applied Maths students. Welcome to our channel Maths Plus U. We are doing class 12 Applied Mathematics Compartment exam 2022 to 2023. We are going to see the MCQs today. Already we have made 3 videos, children. So kindly check in our playlist and our channel Maths Plus U. So forward to Applied Maths students it will be very much useful for them because MCQs step-by-step solutions is not available in more places. Okay, 100 congruent to x mod 7 unit 1 children, numbers quantification and numerical application unit. They're asking least positive value of x, one of the easiest so it's a multiple of 7 mod 7. So congruent x so that x comes inside minus x is a multiple of 7. Multiple of 7 they're writing it as 7k or 7 lambda whatever. So 100 minus x equal to 7k. So each least value you want to check. Which is the least value in the option you check in option la least positive value 2. First that way you should check. You should not check randomly. They given you options now. In the options la which is the least value that. So if they asked which is the greatest value now, you're supposed to start checking with 6. So very simple thing. So what you're going to do in this type of sum, very important, this type of question with different number they can ask. Some number congruent to x mod 7. Congruent you are replacing with just like minus x. Plus x goes at side na minus x. And it is a multiple. Mod 7 na multiple of 7. Mod 8 na multiple of 8. 7k. So then you're going to substitute the x value. Since least positive value in this option, least positive value we are applying 2. 100 minus 2, 98. 98 itself divisible by 7. So answer is 2 over. Suppose we didn't get it's divisible by 7, then you should check with 3. Then check with 4. Then check with 6. So don't go with always option smallest 2. 2 only answer. Like that don't say. This here 2 is satisfied, so 2 is the answer. 2 doesn't satisfy, na? 3 you should check, 4 you should check, even 6 is the greatest number here. That can be the least positive value which can divisible by 7. So don't decide with blindly with option, check and decide. Hope you understood, ma. Sir, I just saw, sir, which is lowest number that I given answer, sir. What, sir? Like that, don't say to us. We didn't teach you in this way. Ma, the same question I've asked in the last year board exam. First video you may check. In a kilometer race, so again 1000 meter, A beats B 50 meter or 10 seconds. Do you remember, children? The same thing we have done. I think 100 meter or 2 seconds something we have done. So we are divided this. So 50 by 10. So B speed we can find by the distance 50 and that time is 10. So 5 meter per second. Time taken by B. So 1000 divided by 5, 200 seconds, children. Then you want to subtract how much 10 seconds is already it's beats. So 200 minus 10, 190. Same thing only we have done. But we have done with 500 and they given 9 seconds. So 500 minus 9, 491 seconds I have asked in last board exam. See, children, compartment exam, same model, not same question. The number alone, they have changed the same thing they have asked in the exam. So you should not just mug up the answer. You have to know how to do the solutions. Third one, I think third one model till now they didn't repeat. So this time they may ask it. Man rowed 32 km downstream, 14 km upstream in 6 hours. Speed of the stream is downstream speed. We all know, children. 32 by 6, 16 by 3. Upstream speed 14 by 6, 7 by 3. So they have asked speed of stream u minus v by 2. Both you subtract and you get 3 by 2. That is nothing but 1.5 km per hour. So speed of stream they have asked. So according to the formula, apply and get the answer easy. So go with fourth one, children. So fourth one, if you see now, minus 3x plus 17 lesser than minus 13. So plus 17 goes at China minus 17, children. Minus 3x lesser than minus 13 minus 17. Minus 3x lesser than minus 30. Then when the negative removed, x will become greater, greater 30 by 3 will get x greater than 10. So x greater than 10, so 10 comma infinity is the answer. Since greater symbol only is there, it's not included. So 10 comma infinity open interval. Suppose the symbol less than or equal to like that it is there, then you may get closed interval. So again I'm saying open interval, closed interval, be careful. The fifth sum again important. This model they have given in last year also one question, but in the that question A and B two matrices they didn't mention, but here they have mentioned very clearly, and I think there they have asked B square plus B in the exam, but here they have asked only B square. Same now. Same way B equal to AB. First video, if you notice this sum, we have done it. B square equal to AB. So we have multiplied B on the both the sides. Then simplify, get the value, B square equals to A. So I didn't explain anything. Go to the first video and come back. Then you will understand this sum. So I'm not explained deeply since we same sum we have explained already. Okay, A is equal to first video in the sense 2024 board examination. That means last year board examination MCQs video. Okay, A is equal to 5xy0. Symmetric children. Symmetric matrix na A transpose is A. Suppose same question skew symmetric matrix they have asked na A transpose equals to minus A. So be careful whatever they have asked. So since they have asked is a symmetric matrix, A transpose is A. What is A transpose? So A transpose you check, you will get 5y(x)(0) transpose of that. A you know 5xy(0). So that way y and x are equal, x and y are equal. That is what I think. Y x equal. So this is the basic thing. So option C is the correct answer. Yes or no? X equal to y or y equal to x. Skew symmetric matrix they have asked na A transpose equal to minus A you supposed to substitute. My next question for collinear ma. I think the collinear question after that they not asked. So I'm expecting this time collinear. Since they have said collinear, area of a triangle equals to 0. I'm checking, they may ask this time area of triangle 0, half of the formula equate with 0. Division 2 goes at sign of multiplication. Expand it properly children. I think we're getting x value minus 4. You try to do in your own expand and you're getting this answer or not, check and let me know. This same question I've asked again already in the previous videos. I think the second video, but there the solution was simple. We didn't do like that maximum value of xy na. Here we are done proper way, 2 mark 3 mark way. Product na xy, multiply x into 8 minus x, differentiate, equate with 0, x value, double time differentiate. Okay va? So 3 mark they have asked now how we will do. That way we applied and get the value. All the steps they have done here. But in MCQ, we don't want to do the same some different steps we have done already. If you check that step, you may come back. X plus y equal to 8. So very simple. What and all possibility to get 8? 1, 7. Yes or no? 2, 6. For adding 8, 3, 5. 4, 4. Yes or no, children? Other things ulta will come. 5, 3, 6, 2, 7, 1. In this, which number multiplied na bigger number coming? 1 7s are 7. 2 6 are 12. 3 5s are 15. 4 4s are 16. So that way, 16 is the maximum value. Hope you understood. So maximum value, these are the possibilities. That is the easier one to do this type of sum in MCQ. If they've asked in 2 mark or 3 mark, what way they have done normal maximum minimum value, word problem way we have to do. So remember, MCQ we can have another approach. Children, logarithmic function, they may say it's deleted, but the better you learn f of x equal to x power x. So do the differentiation. Okay, so you will get that taking log on both sides, f dash of x, x power x log x plus 1. Equate with 0. X power x 0 does not exist. You can't say x power x 0. So log x plus 1 equal to 0 now. You will get x is equals to 1 by e. So do the interval. Split it 0, 1 by e, 1 by e comma infinity. One is strictly decreasing, another one is strictly increasing. So 0, 1 by e is the answer. For decreasing 0, 1 by e. Suppose increasing they have asked in the question now 1 by e comma infinity. Okay, so read the question and you have to do it properly. So if you want this type of question with proper explanation, inform me in the comment box. Go to 10th one, integral 1 by x plus x log x. Take x as common. 1 by x into 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x, I take t. Substitution method children. And I take 1 by x dx as dt. So you have to do integral 1 by t dt. Once we are doing integral 1 by t dt, then it's easier for you how to make it off. 1 by x integration is log mod x. So t value log mod 1 plus log x plus c. Clear? Check. Then the 11th one, supply function produces surplus. They even asked in MCQ. So producer surplus, I hope we all know the formula. So what is the formula for producer surplus? Check, children. So we are expecting in 3 mark, 5 mark, 4 mark, consumer surplus, producer surplus. They asked in MCQ. Formula x naught p naught minus integral 0 to x naught supply. Then substitute. Then check whether you are getting this. 4 integration 4x x integration x square by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit properly do. They are getting the answer 72. Then order of the differential equation for 12th question. So what is the order? So they have a two arbitrary constants A, B. So arbitrary constant they have to check accordingly. We can do the order. That is nothing but 2. So whenever like this you have a family of the curves, we have to go in that way, children. Normal differentiation is different. Differential equation different. When the variable is there, how much arbitrary constants A, B, 2 is there? Suppose only A only is there. A power minus 2x alone is there, then order is 1. A, B, C in 3 things are there, order is 3. Then 13th, when the very arbitrary constant is there, that is the way. So 12th one is important. So M is the mean of the Poisson distribution, R equal to 0. What we have to do, they are asking. Very simple. We going to apply the formula for Poisson distribution, e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. Lambda place M they are applying. So since it's 0, anything to the power 0 is 0, 0 factorial is 0. So e power minus m is the answer. So option A is the answer. So easy, ma. Then 14th is again very much easier. Normal distribution is symmetrical about always mean, ma. Mean normal distribution will be symmetrical. Here mean will be there. So 14th one is very static question. And 15th, ma, student t-test, test statistic. Hope you know t is equal to x bar minus mu by s by root over n minus n. So s by root over n or s by root over n minus 1, whatever they may give in the question, check it. And this question is repeatedly is there, ma. Now we are doing 4th board question paper. Now see this maximum question paper, this 3 yearly or 5 yearly moving average is there. So you want to add first 3 you add, divide by 3, next 3 add, divide by 3, next 3 you add, divide by 3. Like that, get the answer 22, 29, 35, 41, option C, children. So 4 year, 3 yearly moving average. I think this question also repeated effective rate of interest with a different number they have already asked. But good news is they itself given 1.02 whole power 4 value. So apply. Children, since it's a quarterly, M is 4, ma. Suppose semi-annually or half-yearly given na, M 2. Suppose monthly given na, M is 12. Yearly given na, M is 1. That is different. So apply the value. R is 8% by 100. So they will simplify it. 1.02 whole power 4. They given the answer 1.0824. Then you're getting the answer 0.0824 into 100%. 8.24% is the answer. Option C is the answer. My maximum value of the function, children, they given the subjective constraints. You have work, find the corner points, literally like a sum. How you will solve? What you will solve? LPP, same way. Corner point you are getting 3, 2, 3, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0. Hope you understood. That la maximum value 31. So C is the answer. But when you have a doubt in LPP solving, kindly inform, then we will do it. Assertion reasoning. 19th question. Slope of the normal. So normal na minus 1 by m we all know. So one time differentiation. You do it. So when we are doing it, assertion itself wrong. Because 2 into x square differentiation, 2x minus 5. So 4x minus 5 is there. So when we applied instead of x minus 1, 4 into minus 1 minus 5, I am getting the answer minus 9, not minus 1. So that way it is assertion false. Assertion false now we can easily go. Anyway, reason we are checking. Reason is true. Check once. So next time assertion correct, reason is also correct also can come. So reason you check, slope of the normal. Formula correct on. Then 20th you see, they given square matrices of order 3, determinant adjoint A 4. So determinant adjoint A formula ma, determinant A power n minus 1, n is a 3. So determinant A square. Determinant A square is 144. So determinant A is plus or minus 12. Sometimes the plus or minus they may not give in the question, so be careful. But here properly plus or minus they have given, so correct, assertion is correct. Suppose the same question in exam la for you, determinant A they given just 12 na, then you should say assertion is false. Remember, reason determinant adjoint A equal to determinant A power n minus 1, n is here 3, 3 minus 1. So both are correct ma, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So check. So kindly forward to applied maths students and even parents to whom we are checking for proper videos. So it will be very much helpful for their preparation. Thank you.